Protesting against the failure of the Manipur government to provide safe drinking water in Kwakta area of Bisnupur district by December 5th, the All Kwakta Coordinating Committee has called for a 48-hour shutdown on National Highway 2 beginning 5 a.m. tomorrow. India registered 36,011 new COVID-19 cases in a span of 24 hours, according to the fresh figures released by the Union Health Ministry today. With this, the total number of coronavirus cases in the country rose to 96.44 lakh as per the report. The total number of coronavirus cases in the country stood at 96 lakh 44,222. A total of 482 persons died due to COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. The data updated this morning showed that coronavirus death toll in India climbed to 1,40,182. A team of Kaching Police Commando Unit under the supervision of Kaching Superintendent of Police Victoria Yenkom arrested a man along with suspected illegal brown sugar contained in 24 soap cases around 3:30 p.m. yesterday. Thanglian Lal Jao, aged 41 years of Paldan village under Sajik Tampak, was arrested during the frisking and checking at Sero RCC Bridge, police said. A team of Narcotics and Affairs of Border NAB seized about 2 lakh pieces of WY tablet from the resident of one SP Mayonmi, aged 60 years from Yeson village under Kasong Khulin police station in Kamjong district on December 4th. However, SP Mayonmi was not at home during the seizure, police said. Britain's Queen Elizabeth II will receive the Pfizer BioNTech coronavirus vaccine within weeks, after UK regulators granted emergency approval and the world's first rollout begins next week, reports said. The monarch, 94, and her 99-year-old husband Prince Philip are in line to get the jab early due to their age and will not receive preferential treatment, the Mail on Sunday reported. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC President Moirangthem Okendro today led party leaders in paying tribute to former cabinet minister and party leader Laishram Nandakumar at Congress Bhavan in Imphal. CLP leader O Ibobi M Okendro, CWC member Gai Khangam, MLA O Surjakumar, former MLA T Mangibabu and Dr. KH Ratan Kumar observed a 2-minute silence in honor of the late minister. A new temple of Ibudau Puthiba at Lilong Chazing Mairin Khonglekai in Langthabal was inaugurated today and dedicated to the public. The temple was built under the sponsorship of Karam Gulmid alias Rupachandra, son of Langthabal constituency MLA Karam Shyam. During the program, MLA Karam Shyam stressed on maintaining good discipline among youngsters and doing good work for the society. The MLA observed that unwanted incidents happen when youngsters lost discipline and good manners. Nest Advertising and Marketing Private Limited today released 2 calendars entitled Spectacular Manipur and Winged Beauties of Manipur for the year 2021. During a function held at Classic Grand in Chingmairong, Imphal, Lok Sabha member Dr. R.K. Rajan released the calendars. Cradle for Disabled Union Craft Do, Imphal East observed World Disabled Day 2020 today at Yaripok Tulihal, Awang Lekai. Edible items and towels were distributed to differently abled persons on the occasion. Arun Enterprises proprietor Thangjam Arun Kumar has initiated repair work along Khurai Ahungai, Lekai, Jenims, Khangembam, Kolup, Wat number 23 road. Locals of the area expressed gratitude towards Arun Kumar for his deed.